Hi everyone, this is MC Michael here with a brief lesson intro about exponents, bases, some of the properties of them, and how they work. Okay, hopefully you saw my Teachers Pay Teachers page and printed out the scaffolded notes for this mini lesson. Looks just like this. I will be following that with some notes on this whiteboard, so it'll be nice and easy. Just follow along, fill in the blanks as I go. Alrighty, so let's start off with some of the vocabulary here so that we know what we're talking about when we're saying these words, base and exponent. Okay, so here we have an expression, 2 to the third power. So the 2 here, the big number, that is the base. Alright, so fill that in on your guided note sheet if you're using that. And then the little tiny number, little baby number 3 there, that's the exponent. Okay? And also sometimes called a power. You'll hear that. Alright? For some reason they choose to use that word. Maybe it's a little more manly, a little more intimidating. Sounds a little cooler. Power, yeah. I've got the power. Alright. Anyway, so what do these numbers mean? What does base and exponent mean? What's happening here? Let's find out. So, again, on the guided notes here, let's fill in the blanks. When a base is raised to an exponent, and we'll use the letter n here, just as a generic exponent, this means that we are multiplying that number by itself n times. Okay? So in other words, exponents are a shortcut to writing excessively long expressions. Alright? So take a second and fill that in. Again, when a base is raised to an exponent n, this means that we are multiplying that number by itself n times. And as a result, exponents are used as a shortcut to writing excessively long expressions. So they save us a little bit of time, and you'll see how. So let's go back to the top of the guided note sheet. Now you'll see we have 2 to the third power again. So what that means is we have 2 times 2 times 2. We have 3 2's being multiplied. 2 times itself 3 times. So that would be 4 times 2, and that gives us 8. So you can see how this is a shortcut, right? 2 to the third can also be written as 2 times 2 times 2. What if I had like 2 to the 19th? I don't want to write that out. 2 times 2 19 times? Are you kidding me? No. Not happening. Now take a quick look at the bottom of the note sheet on that first page, at the other examples section. You're going to want to pause the video and copy these down and see what I did. See, I have the PEMDAS on the side, the order of operations. That's because, let's see, for this second one, if I have this negative, basically a negative 1 times 5 squared, I have to do the squared first, exponent before multiplication. So I square the 5, and then I times by the negative 1 at the end. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25, times negative 1 is negative 25. Alright, save that multiplication for last if you don't have parentheses. And that brings us to the conclusion of this brief introductory video to exponents, bases, and how they work, how they function. Alright, so please take a few minutes to watch the music video, follow the link below this video. That will introduce you to some of the exponent properties, power of a power, quotient of a power, etc. And you'll see how those work. And then there will be more videos following that will use the same guided note sheet, okay, on the back. And we'll go over the power of a power rule first. Alright, so be ready for that. Thanks for watching. This is MC Michael once again. Hope you enjoyed it.